Hello children, welcome back to Uma Talks, and here I am with NCERT answers of third chapter Discovering Tut. The saga continues. Okay, so let us begin with the answers. Now understanding the text, the questions which are there on page 21. Okay, give reasons for the following. So the first one in give reasons, King Tut's body has been subjected to repeated scrutiny. So the answer, the mummy of King Tutankhamun has earned worldwide fame for the riches. It was buried with, okay, there is also speculation with the manner of his death and his age at the time of death. Hence, King Tut's body has been subjected to repeated scrutiny. Okay, so now second, Howard Carter's investigation was resented. So Howard Carter's investigation was resented because he used scientific methods and illegitimate ways. He was focusing more on treasure and less on cultural and historical aspects. Carter had to chisel away the solidified resins to raise the king's remains. This is third. So Carter found that the ritual resins had hardened. The result was that Tut's body had been cemented to the bottom of his solid gold coffin. Proper force could not move the resins. Even the scorching sun failed to loosen the resins. So he got the resins chiseled away to raise the king's remains. Tut's body was buried along with gilded treasures. The king of ancient Egypt believed in resurrection of the dead. Their kings were extremely rich, so Tut's body was buried with gilded treasures. Their eternal brilliance was meant to guarantee resurrection. Things of everyday use were also buried with the king. Now, fifth, the boy king changed his name from Tutankhaten to Tutankhamun. So, Tutankhamun means living image of Amun. He was a major god in ancient Egypt. King Amenhotep IV, who changed his name to Akhenaten, smashed the images of Amun and got his temples closed. Tut oversaw a restoration of the old ways. He changed his name to express his belief in Amun. Now question 2. List the deeds that led Ray Johnson to describe Akhenaten as wacky. Akhenaten means the servant of the Aten, that is the sun disk. He moved the religious capital from the old city of the Thebes to the new city of Akhetaten, known now as Amarna. He smashed the images of Amun, a major god, and closed his temples. These deeds led Ray Johnson to describe Akhenaten as wacky. Now second part of second question, okay. What were the results of the CT scan? The results of the CT scan was quite encouraging. 1700 digital X-ray images in cross-section were created. A grey head appeared on screen. Neck vertebrae were quite clear. The images of hand, ribcage and skull were equally bright. These revealed that nothing had gone seriously wrong with Tut's body. List the advances in technology that have improved forensic analysis. The advances in technology have helped in improving forensic analysis. Many scientific tests can be carried out to determine the causes of crime. These include X-ray, ultrasound, CT scan, post-mortem, autopsy and biopsy. All these help in diagnosis and provide exact information. Explain the statement, King Tut is one of the first mummies to be scanned in death as in life. King Tut's mummy was the first one to be X-rayed by an anatomy professor in 1968. On 5th January 2005, CT scan created virtual reality and produced lifelike images. King Tut is one of the first mummies to be scanned, thus in death as well as in life. Tut moved regally ahead of his countrymen. Okay, children. So these were the answers. Now the other questions talking about the text, and that is that you have to discuss in pairs, okay, and you have to talk in for the motion and against the motion, just as we have the debate. So I'm not going to talk about it. You should write it on your own, but if some of you have problems, okay, how to write it, I'm just focusing on those answers. You can see it. Okay, so the first one, discuss the following in group of 2 pairs. It is scientific intervention is necessary to unearth buried mysteries. Okay, questions like this you have to write for the motion and against the motion. So I'm not reading out the whole, I'm just focusing, you can see. So this is for the motion for the first answer. Okay, the continuation up till here. Got it? Against the motion starts from here, that the same thing starts from here and then it is up till this particular end. Got it? Let's come to second. Advanced technology gives us conclusive evidence of past events. Again for the motion, against the motion. So this is for the motion, started from here. I fully subscribe. Like this only you have to write and up till here. Against the motion for the same question starts from here. Okay, I disagree with the remarks. Against the motion, the same question, second. Yes, and then continue and up till followed it. Got it? And yes, third, tradition, rituals and funerary practices must be respected. Again, for the motion, different religious cultures and civilizations follow various traditions. Okay, from here till this respected. And the same question ka against me, it is again the world is on the move. Okay, make a heading for the motion, against the motion and write. And it will be understanding of past events. Okay, come to next, fourth one, the last. Knowledge about past lives is useful to complete our knowledge of the world we live in. Again for the motion, modern world has expanded up till here. Okay, and against the motion, start from here. We are constantly learning new things. Against the motion, up till about knowledge about past lives. So this is all, children. Got it? So hope it is useful for you. Do write in the comment box. Okay, and I want a thumbs up. Okay, do share it and subscribe it. So thank you all. Thank you for liking it. Thank you.